Before engaging any targets in the 10 room, you must reload. If you fail to reload before engaging any targets in the 10 room, you'll have a 30-second penalty. If you hit any targets and does not fall, and I say hit, you may continue. Ignore anything Jimmy says.
Alright. No Jimmy. Got it. Hey guys, today I have some practice footage from the upcoming 3-gun competition hosted by Tac City at the soon-to-be-closed North location. To participate, you need a 3-man team consisting of a shotgun, pistol, and rifle. Here's the general walkthrough of the course.
You're basically going to stay on the blue path. Just stay like a foot of the blue path. I don't care where you are. You can shoot anywhere on the path. Just stay on the path, alright? Again, shoot anywhere on the path. Just keep running by, right? Then come out here. Straight to target. After that, you guys will tag the pistol target, pistol near right here, alright? Pistol, you start here. The first target pistol will be underneath this. You guys cannot pass the blue line, so you guys shoot that target.
Go, Justin, check it out.
Alright, you guys either go over or under, it doesn't really matter to me. Pick one. Where is it? There's a target right under there, right? And over here, another target right here.
So you got
Next two targets will be in the SWAT bus, or SWAT van, or whatever it's called. Targets.
This is still pistol, right? Yeah.
So here, the first two targets, the rifle will be underneath here. You guys can either shoot underneath or over, it doesn't matter to me. Oh, okay. Two targets will be running up, one target will be underneath the gun. You can shoot straight from here or on top of the gun. Then you got to move it up here.
Okay, that one's a little far.
Timer's at the sniper tower.
I see it.
Oh, is there a path?
You can shoot that one. Oh, you can shoot it from up here?
Anywhere up here, guys.
Yeah, you can.
The gun I'm using is the Tokyo Marui M870 with the Angry Gun kit, and I have also converted it to be HPA fed for this event using the CQB Russian adapter. And this surprised some people, including my teammate Justin.
Oh, is that you didn't tell me, baby boo, that you running that HP? Woo! Ain't no complaints now, huh? Ain't no complaints, no.
Hey, for competition, it's a better choice.
Sweetheart.
But for like,
Welcome to the family, bro.
oh, hey. So if you're able, be sure to come down this Sunday and join in on some 3-gun fun. Otherwise, stay tuned to the channel for footage from this event and more information on the upcoming third-person shoulder mount seen here. Coming soon to BrainExploderCreations.com. Alright, Bear, focus, focus. Make sure you get them all.
Bottom left, bottom left.
Woo!
No penalty.
Yeah. What's the time? Couple seconds behind. 52. Good run.